So one more way also to add two numbers and give the answer in that text box, and which is going to be the easiest one. All what you have to do again is double click on calculate, because our operation is going to be in this button. So double click on the button, and then what we have to do is we are going to add this number plus this number and give the answer here. So let's do that. Let's dim total as double, for example. So total, what is total? Total is going to be the number one box dot text plus number two dot text. So total is going to be number one box plus number two box. But remember, if you do not use identifying for these number boxes as an integer, or you can also use this one, which is going to be maybe closer to you, value, VAL, value. That's mean the value of this text box, let's go here, the value of this text box and the value of this text box going to be added to each other. And then, so we said that total is going to be the box number 1 plus the box number 2. And where you want me to show the result, I want you to show the result in the answer box. Dot text, give me the value of total. Okay, so instead of writing all of these, I just go and say, give me the value of total. What is total? Total is number 1 box plus number 2 box. Okay, so the answer box is going to be given the value of total, which is this one. Otherwise, if you don't have, look what I'm going to do. If you do not have these, look, I'm just going to do it like that. I'm going to put this in a comment, and this also in a comment. When you put this small quotation here, this small dash, then the sentence become green. That means the program will not read it. This is a comment. This is for you. You can write whatever you want here. Okay, it's a comment for you. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put this in a comment, and then switch in total to this. So what happens here is that I remove total, and I said that the answer box is going to be the value of the box number 1 plus the value of the box number 2. Both are working. Both methods are going to work. Okay, if you dim the total and you say that the total is going to be this, or you put this as a result here, also is going to work. So both ways are going to work. Okay, do not look at the screen and just wonder what's going on. You have to practice by your hands. You have to open the Visual Studio, Visual Basic, and to practice. Do both ways by yourself, so you will understand what I'm talking about, and you will understand what I'm trying to do. You will never understand Visual Basic only by reading and looking at these videos. You must practice. Okay? So have a test of for yourself and do both ways. So I'm just gonna put the second way again here. So I'm just gonna have it's not this is not valid in Visual Studio. I'm just putting like a block between both ways. So let's make a comment here. So this was the first way, and the second way, you only put answer box.txt equal and this. You don't have to go through all of these steps here. So either you do that or you do that. Both under calculate button, under the button number 1, which is we have here. Okay, so both cases are going to work. You can, as what I said, you can use it for plus, for minus, for multiply, etc. And later on, I'm going to show you how you create calculator. Not now, because when you create a calculator, you would need to know more rules, more functions. So once we do learn these functions, we will be able to create a calculator. So for the meantime, I hope that you understand this and that we have two ways of it. So I'm gonna comment this because it's not gonna work when we have two functions working at the same time. So I'm gonna keep it like that. So you would, when you open the programming page that I'm going to send you, the one that you can download, you will see that this is a green. That's mean I just put it in comment to let you remember that you have another way to do that. Okay, so that was all about for this video, and now we're moving to the second video.